There it is. RM.
It's already jumping out of the seatbelt.
Dude, I'm stoked.
Shit.
It's been so long since we have had a two-stroke. It's like...
Yeah, we're gonna have to get a freaking premix, dude.
It's well overdue. Go Orange.
We need a helmet like that, dudes, too. Let's see what we can do.
What kind of deal you think you can whop up?
Let's see if Jade can hook it up. There she is.
There it is.
That's like, we need 2 wheels, not 4.
They're sold out. There she is, boys. Right off the showroom floor.
I like my favorite.
Oh yeah, dude. Welcome, boys. Take a seat.
Who's
So
that
what
guy?
we got?
Name down there at the bottom and data.
You know how to spell your name?
Yeah.
Look at this signature Lloyd's got. Watch this thing, dude.
We do a Y and
Ooh, that's hard.
That's the contract for the year from KTM, Roger DeCoster.
we did not get it.
Don't mind buyer signature. That's a typo. This is rider's signature. So we'll just have to sign that.
Gosh, look at that. What are you thinking?
Runway.
Which one are you gonna take?
I don't know. That one doesn't have a tag on. You go with the closest one?
It's pretty quiet. Maybe you could just walk that thing out right now. Real quiet.
Later.
Dude, I want to hear it. Clean. And tomorrow that will be a not new bike after you ride it. Because if you remember last time Kyson rode a two-stroke, he wadded it up.
No, that was 2 times ago. We've learned.
Little
since.
sub clip to the ejecto-cedo.
Yeah, you're gonna be there with him encouraging it, so I see it happening, honestly.
I'll be videoing.
Pleasure working with you, dude. 2 months in the work.
Hey, you know, times.
On a 2-stroke one of
That'd be
these times.
fire. Dude, that thing's sick.
Yeah, we're gonna put this in a museum.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
belongs. That is
Oh.
hand drawn right there.
Hand drawn. So Ruben for this one. This thing is killer.
Yeah, Ruben absolutely killed it on that thing.
2021 edition. Son. Let's go.
All right, let's take her back to the compound.
Yeah. I can stop at UNT Designs.
Oh, we stopping there tonight?
Yeah, get this thing looking actually real good.
There, you heard it. Fresh graphics kit already too.
James can take this thing on.
We're here at Uinta Designs. Gonna go pick up a fresh graphics kit for the new bike. Let's go check it out. Yeah, these guys absolutely kill it. They do all our graphics kit, totally custom. And the detail is insane. So yeah, let's go check this thing out.
Well. Oh.
Yo, those are insane. Clean.
Because,
Yeah, the number one kind of throws me off, huh?
yeah. Oh, yeah, it's going to be sweet, though. We're not number
Yeah, those
2.
are
We're number
fire.
1, brother.
Number one on the one deuce nickel. There it
Yes,
is.
sir. Nice.
Yeah, so stay tuned. Kyson's gonna be motoing it up tomorrow.
Barking. Oh, that's going to be Saturday. This is Thursday.
You gotta get like a slow shot of him pouring this.
The concentration. I missed a turn. That was a good thing I found that. Easy does it.
Easy. Hey, shout out to this guy.
Wyatt's just using us for his gear because he knows we have his gear.
I keep bitches on the party bus.
Let's go.
We made it.
Brought the Yamaha today.
I love these things. Hey, man. What's up, tough guy?
Dude, I thought my bike would be unloaded by now.
Oh.
Thanks, cheers.
Nothing like dirty gear.
Sorry, you're very careful.
How was that? It's hot. Too many laps. Done for the day. That's as fast as that thing will go.
Oh, I bet.
Caught him. Yeah. Like Baggett's not doing so well. Rock Mountain says they're quitting and putting me on the team. They said you gotta be on a 125 though, 450 you'll do too good. I'm like, yeah, alright, I'll do that. Ah! About it. Oh, that was easy. So, anyway, good day though. This is a good day. Track was fire. Yeah.
Lloyd insisted that we went and got a burger after riding. That's his go-to.
I can always be down for a burger.
Those were your exact words.
You know what's funny?
What? Let's hear it, Lloyd.
Dude, the one time Cade was in the back, I literally clocked him. Like, it just boonk! I was like, oh.
Run the clip! Run the clip!
I don't know, dude. I don't know if we have the clip still.
Oh yeah, that's a good
Run out
one.
of storage.
But on a real note, yeah, it's a good day. We put down some good motos. I finally decided to do laps instead of doing sections. Only crashed once today.
Damn,
Lloyd got one.
We're so proud of you.
I know. We're getting better. The bike actually stayed in one piece too. So, it's a good day. A little tweaked.
I'm gonna cut your fender off for tomorrow. That's just not the same without it.
I'm not even mad about it. Oh, and I did forget to mention, the reason you don't see Jace in the van is because he's simping.
He's one car back holding hands with his girlfriend.
No. So he's not in the party, man. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to let you guys know Burley Burger here in Ogden is awesome. I am.
What they said, so I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Time out, I'm cool on the chit chat. Fuck with the kid, know I got the gift back. Big on the stairs, what ahead to the bread